welcome back to our YouTube channel Lemon Cone, where we explore delightful recipes from around the world. Today we have a sweet treat that's perfect for those hot summer days. It's the mango Faluda trifle. So let's get started. First, in a separate bowl, take 1/4 cup of milk and mix 3 to 4 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder. Then, in a medium-sized saucepan, heat milk and sugar until it boils. Slowly pour the custard mixture and cook over medium heat, stirring to avoid lumps and ensure even cooking. Once it thickens, remove from heat and let it cool. After the custard cools down, add 1 cup of mango puree made by blending 2 mangoes until it gets smooth and creamy. For jelly layer, take mango flavored jelly, add 1 cup of boiling water, mix until it dissolves, then refrigerate until it gets firm and set. Now it's time to boil vermicelli. Take 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil, then add the colored vermicelli and strain it when it becomes soft. For the basil layer, we take basil seeds and soak them in water. After a few minutes, this soil up forming a gel-like texture. It's time for layering. So for the first layer of our recipe, we are using this yummy cake we got from the market. But if you feel like baking it yourself, no worries, we got your back. The cake recipe link is in the description box, which we have already shared on our channel. Here we are using some juicy mango goodness to give our cake a super soft touch. Time to sprinkle some Luscious mango cubes between the layers. It's like bursts of sunshine in every spoonful. Let's create a layer of boiled vermicelli in vibrant hues, adding a fun and playful touch to our trifle. We are adding a layer of basil seeds. These tiny powerhouses will bring a unique texture and a hint of freshness to every bite. Now we'll generously sprinkle another layer of crunchy almonds and pistachio, making this trifle even more delightful and full of nutty goodness. Let's add a layer of mango jelly cubes for a tropical and sweet surprise in our trifle. As the finishing touch, we'll gently spread the smooth and silky custard over the top, covering of all the layers beneath. Garnishing our trifle with whipping cream, jelly cubes, almond and pistachios for a delightful treat. Now it's time to grab your spoons and dig in. Delicious! Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends, and always remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring that bell to get notified about our more delightful recipes coming on your way. See you in the next video.